In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your Discord email address. Now a lot of people want to change their Discord email address, but they don't know how. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So you can either do that on the web version of the web version of if you have a laptop or PC, or you can do that on the program. Like if you have downloaded the program, you can easily change the email address. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on this gear in the top right. As you can see, I'm sorry, it's not the top, at the bottom left, it's called user settings. As you got this gear, you want to click on it. You want to click my account, and as you can see here the email, it's hidden. So if you want to reveal it, you just need to click on reveal. If you want to change it, you want to click on edit, and here you will have to get the code from your Gmail, and then you can change your Discord email address. So you want to just click on send verification code, and after that you will get the verification code here, and then you just have to enter it here. Just go to your email and you will find it there, and then you just need to enter it and click next, and then you will be able to add a new email address. So hopefully this video, guys, helps. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help or anything like that, I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.